What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Carlos Leon. You're watching the Family of Lions here on YouTube. What we're going to be showing you today is a little bit of a wheel swap. We are going to be doing a wheel swap from a premium Hot Wheels vehicle into a mainline Hot Wheels vehicle. And it's going to be a premium Mercedes-Benz, one of the new Jurassic Park premiums. We're going to be swapping those wheels from that vehicle into a mainline Toyota Land Cruiser. It's like a little off-road vehicle, which is pretty neat. I mean, I like it the way it came from factory, but you know, just a little bit of tweaks here and there, make it a little bit better. And yeah, so we're gonna be covering a little bit of the main details and a little bit of the tools that you're gonna need to do a wheel swap. This is gonna be my second wheel swap I've done. At the end of the video, you're gonna see a little bit of the first wheel swap I did, which came out pretty clean. So make sure you guys watch the video toward the end, all the way to the end. And again, it's pretty hard, as you guys can tell, me being in front of the camera talking to you guys, but hopefully we start making more of these videos and I'll get used to this. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. Enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so today we are gonna do a wheel swap, and we are gonna be using this premium Mercedes. Wait a minute. Why did I do this? I forgot the reason I bought this, because it's a Mercedes-Benz. Oh hell no! And I opened it already. Oh, rip. Alright, so this wasn't supposed to happen, because this was supposed to be in my Mercedes-Benz collection. Fudge. I guess we're gonna have to send it. Anyways, so yeah, so I had already opened it, yeah. But because I was looking at the cartridge right now, I saw it's a Mercedes-Benz. And that's the reason I bought it, is because I have a Mercedes-Benz collection. Oh my goodness, but oh well, what's done is done. So anyways, these are premium wheels, okay? And that means these are rubber tires right here. This is just a mainline Hot Wheel, which I think is pretty cool. It's got, like, you know, the whole off-road theme, but I don't think Hot Wheels did a really good job with the selection of the color on the wheels. I mean, yeah, you know, like the tires are dirt and whatnot, but like, let's be honest, you never see something like that on the road unless you're out in the desert. But yeah, let's make this thing a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And look, I should have just cut black wheels on it, look better. Anyways, these are supposed to be Rays, and we all know Rays are premium wheels, so why wouldn't they freaking put premium wheels, right? They cheaped out on that. But anyways, so we're gonna open it. And this is just the main line, okay? Don't freak out. It's not a premium. It's not a Chase, treasure hunt, nothing like that. Alright, so that's the Toyota Land Cruiser. I like the graphics on this. This is pretty cool. So these wheels are coming off, and these wheels are going on. And are a little smaller, but that's okay. That means it'll be a little bit lower, which we all like low. But yeah, here's how these two vehicles stand side by side. And from here on out, we are gonna do a time lapse, because or else this video will be like freaking an hour long or something. Alright, so let's go real quick on how to do a wheel swap. So basically, you're gonna need a drill and these fine drill bits. Right, that's a drill bit. Okay, and what we're gonna do is just boom, drill those rivets out. Again, I'm gonna show this in like time-lapse motion speed, so you guys don't get bored. That's that. All right, stay tuned. Alright guys, so that was a little time lapse of me destroying this Mercedes Cargo Premium. Made quite a mess. But anyways, in real time this took about 7 to 10 minutes. These rivets right here, these were pretty easy to get to because they're plastic. Those were easy to come out. This, on the other hand, is metal. It appears, yeah, it feels like, I don't think it's aluminum. Yeah, I think it's metal. Anyways, so that one was pretty hard to take out. But that's that. Now we have some visibility of the axles and these little clips right here, which are also metal. Alright, so now the objective is to get the wheels out of these little clamp-like looking things. It's gonna be hard. I've done this before, but the other ones are plastic. Maybe it's just on the mainline Hot Wheel bodies that it's plastic, but this one's premium, so it's metal. It's all metal underneath. But anyways, that's that. We're gonna clean this up a little bit and jump on to the next one. These, I think these are aluminum. These seem to be a little bit softer, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and then I'll jump right into drilling these rivets out of this Land Cruiser. Alright, now that we've got the dust nice and clean, now that I think about it, I shouldn't have cleaned it because we are gonna make another mess with this. But it's okay. So let's jump onto our speed up camera time lapse and get these wheels off. So let's go. I mean these rivets. So let's go. Alright guys, so this one took a little bit way too long and we actually actually ended up damaging the front part of the body. I think it might be my drill bits that are getting too dull, but yeah, this one was a bit of a pain. I wasn't able to like break it off with the drill bit, so I kind of had to like made a huge gap, which I mean, we'll see. Hopefully you can't really tell. I mean from the side, we'll see. All right, so time to get these little tires and axles out of here. And for that, I'm gonna need to use something. I think I'm gonna have to use a pocket knife or something. Something fine, because I need to get into that. Alright, so I'm gonna figure out how to take this out. And yeah, I need some little spreader tool to get these little things out of here. Let me see. I don't want to like force these out because I don't know. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter because we won't be using these wheels, but I mean, figure it out. Okay. Alright, guys, so I was able to free these wheels out of these little clip things right here. I'm using this tool right here. I don't know what it's called. And my pocket knife. But yeah, they're still on there. So when we're ready to pull, when we free these wheels and axles out of this chassis, we're gonna go ahead and drop it onto this plastic chassis. This one belongs to the Toyota. And carefully close these little clamps back up, and then ready to roll. So let me get working on these. Are gonna be pretty hard because those look like they're metal clamps. Oh, we'll see how it goes. All right, let me get back to you. All right, so I was able to release the wheel axle from this clamp right here, the little clamps. But for that, I had to use a fine drill bit and carefully drill that out. I'm almost done with this one, so I'm gonna finish the process in real time so you guys can get an idea of how sketchy this is. And they should do it. Oh man, I don't want to bend the axle. Oh, yes. So unfortunately, I don't think we can salvage this chassis, but that doesn't matter because we care about this one here. Okay, so new wheels are gonna go on here, like so. Alright. So I'm gonna try to squeeze the axle in here and then clamp it back up, and I'll update you guys in a few minutes. Okay. Alright guys, so success. I was able to put the wheels on this chassis using this tool. It's a pretty handy tool. I was able to press down the axles with like trying to get very minimal bend on them, and using this tool I just pressed those little clamps shut. That way the wheels are nice and secure. Cool. Now time to start building the the Land Cruiser. Is it Land Cruiser? Yeah, to the Land Cruiser. Put it back together, and I'll go ahead and do that in a time lapse. Speed things up a little bit, and I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, give me a few seconds. Didn't realize, but I believe I was a little bit off the frame. But here you have it, guys. Here's the new wheels. These are freaking awesome. So they spin it now. Yeah. No, like, yeah, never mind that. Don't look at that. I mean, you can't really tell, right? Like, look at that. Look at that. Sheesh. That is freaking dope. And from these dirt-looking, ugly wheels. I mean, they're not ugly. They're TEs. They're cool. I just wish they would have made the tires black. But whatever. This is dope. And it runs, look. And it's all in place. Oh. Spoke too soon. Oh. Anyways. So in order for that to happen, not to happen actually, I'm gonna have to get in there and use some glue. This is liquid cement for plastic, so just to seal the whole chassis to the body and everything, that way it's nice and secure. But I mean, this is just gonna go on my desk, nothing special, unless I was like gonna, I don't know, sell it to someone that might be interested in it. Then I glue it back together, you know, so it's on there. But I'm gonna have to do another, I'm gonna try to find another one of these, or maybe in a different whole body. I need to master this, because that's a no-go. If I was to sell this, I don't think this, maybe someone would be interested in buying it, but this is cool. I'm just gonna keep this for my collection and for my practice in the whole wheel swap. Let me go ahead and show you guys really quick. I did another one. This is probably my first wheel swap I did for the Audi Avant RS2, and this one came out clean. Like, look at the rivets. This came out super clean. I'm super happy with this one, and that motivated me to start doing more of these wheel swaps, because it is awesome. Perfect. And this is my collection as well, and that's why I haven't really sealed the chassis to the body, but it's freaking cool. Let me grab the original one. I just happen to have an original one right here behind me. So this is how they originally came. This is the Audi Avant RS2. I mean, the wheels are not bad, you know. They look pretty cool for factory. Right? Chromies, they look cool. But I mean, white with this blue, I think it really pops. Don't you guys agree? I like it. And this piece right there, it all flows. And the fitment is freaking awesome. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's gonna end our show. Hopefully I start making more videos for you guys. And hope you guys liked it. Trying to get my YouTube channel back up and running. So we'll see how it goes. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave any comments or suggestions on how to try to do this better. If you have any other ideas, you can leave them in the comments, but I'm happy with this. It's freaking cool. Alright guys, I will catch you guys on the next video, and we're out.